Milords, I appear for the petitioner in this matter, Milords. Milords, the petitioner is a plaintiff before this Honourable Court, who is aggrieved by the fact that trial court has not passed an order, ex parte order in their favor. Milords,
In
petitioner.
whose favor?
In my favor, Milords. In my
their favor andre?
My apologies.
Yes.
In my favor. Milords, petitioner is a real estate company, Milords. I purchase lands, develop it, form sites, and sell it to prospective purchasers. Now, what has happened?
What is the suit for?
Suit for injunction because the respondents before this Honourable Court were prospective purchasers who approached me in the month of January. I give them all the documents, Milords. Before saying this, may I invite your Lordship's attention, page number 60, Milords. 60 of my petition.
60.
60, yes, Milords.
Yes.
Milords, this is a second part of the page, Milords, is a email that is written to me as on 30th of January. They say these are the pending documents that are required for the legal due diligence. I provide them all the legal necessary documents, my lords. They're very much happy with that, how the title flow goes. They say I will pay the advance sale consideration, and on 17th of February they pay me an advance sale consideration of about 14 lakhs, my lords. 14 lakhs towards the purchase of property, and thereafter we enter into a sale agreement. Subsequently, after entering into a sale agreement, what the respondents, who are the defendants, say is, I don't want to go ahead with registration of property. I want my money back. I say, as per the sale agreement, there should be 10% of reduction in my favor. Deducting 10%, I'll give you the remaining balance, is what I say. That is when what these defendants do is they go on Google and they start writing derogatory comments against me as if I have absolutely no title in the matter. Because, my lords, this matter, this particular land which I have now developing is a land which was belonging to originally SC/ST person. Grant land in 1978. The original grantee passes away.
You have no title, is it?
No, I have a title, my lords. I'm just saying the facts, my lords. The original grantee passes away. His wife in the year 2016 obtains permission for selling of this land. Subsequent to obtaining,
it's permitted by the
it's permitted, my lords. All those things are there. They want the refund. The legal way of retorting is this way, my lords.
Now, what is the restraint order you sought?
The restraint order is not directing the defendants not to publish these kind of derogatory statements. And third, the second prayer is to direct Google to take down 2 Google reviews that they have posted.
Heard the learned counsel. Google is a party here.
Yes. Defendants are the subsequent purchase. Google LLC.
Google is a party.
Google LLC is third defendant, third respondent.
The petitioner is the plaintiff, is before the court on the score that the concerned court has not granted an ex parte injunction as was sought for under Order 39 Rule 1 of the CPC. The facts that has led the petitioner to this court is that the petitioner is a developer. The respondents 1 and 2 are home buyers. The respondents, by way of email communication, sought certain documents from the hands of the petitioners to verify whether the land was to verify the status of the land and its legal status of the land. All the documents that were in the custody of the petitioners is said to have been communicated to the defendants 1 and 2. Just go to the
14 lakhs,
10%.
10%. Total consideration.
Pursuant to which it transpires rupees 14 lakhs is paid by separately, husband and wife.
Husband and wife.
Paid by defendants 1 and 2. After such payment, it further transpires that they did not want the land on a plea entertained by them that the land was the land did not have a perfect title. In that light, the perfect title, and after which the defendants 1 and 2 have gone on the social media or Google by making derogatory statements against the petitioners. It is at that juncture the plaintiff approaches the concerned court in OS
3073 of 2025.
OS 3073 of 2025. The concerned court in the teeth of the effort, and the prayer that was sought was to restrain defendants 1 and 2 from making any derogatory statement, and the third defendant to take down all the statements already made. The concerned court ought to have answered the same without only issuing notice. In that light, there shall be an interim order or the injunctory relief sought for by the petitioners till the next date of hearing. 1, 2, Google LLC Manu Kulkarni.
I'll serve minutes.
1 and 2, emergent notice returnable by 4th July. Three, learned counsel Manu Kulkarni is directed to accept notice, petitioner to serve set of papers upon the aforesaid counsel forthwith.
Much obliged, my lords.
Next.
13.